sip and serve with Russell's.
Here's how to make a simple and delicious bean curry. Once it's hot, add a few cardamom pods and let them sizzle. Next, toss in some sliced onions and green chilies. Sauté them until the onions turn golden brown. Now add in some chopped garlic and give it a quick stir. Throw in a few fresh curry leaves to bring out that aroma. Then add your chopped tomatoes and cook until they're soft and blended in. Time to season it. Add turmeric, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix well, then add in the chopped beans. Stir everything together so the beans get nicely coated in the spices. Add a little water if needed. Cover the pan and let it cook until the beans are tender. And there you have it, a hearty, flavorful bean curry that goes perfectly with rice or roti. Enjoy!